Environmental issues. In this chapter, read air population and its control, water population and control, solid waste, agrochemical and their effect, radioactive wastage, greenhouse effect and global warming, ozone depletion in the stratosphere, degradation by improper resources utilization, maintenance, deforestation. Human population size has grown enormously over and last 100 years. This means increasing in demand of food, water, home, electricity, road, automobile, and numerous other commodities. These demands are exactly tremendous pressure on our natural resources and are also contributed to population of air, water and soil. The need of the hour is to check the degradation and depletion of our precursors natural resources and population without hating the process of development. Population is any undesirable changes in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of air, land, water, of soil, agent and burning out such as undesirable changes are called as a population. In order to control environmental population, the government of India has passed on the Environmental Protections Act 1986 to protect and improve the quality of our environment, air, water and soil. 16.1 topic air population and its control. We are depend on air for our respiratory needs. Air pollution cause injury to all living organisms. They reduce growth and yield of crops and causes premature death of plant. Air pollution also deleteriously affected the respiratory system of human and of the animal. Harmful uh, effects depend on their concentration of pollutant, durations of expenditure, and the organism. Smokest of thermal power plant smells other industry release particulate and gaseous air pollutant together with harmless gas such as nitrogen, oxygen, etc. These pollutants must be separated, filtered out before releasing the harmless gases into the atmosphere. And this is a diagram representation of the electric precursor. And there are several ways of the removing particulate matter. The most widely used of which is the electrostatic precipitator, which can remove over 19% particulate matter present in the exiguous form a thermal power plant. It has electrode wires that the maintenance at several thousand volts, which produce a corona that release electric and these electrons attack to dust particles and giving the a net negative charge. The collective plates are grounded and attract the charge the dust particles. The velocity of air between the plates must be low enough to allow the dust to fall. Scrubbers can remove gases like sulfur dioxide in scrubbers. The exudes it passes through a spray of water or limes. Recently, we have released the dangerous particulate matter that are very small and are not removed by release. These precipitates, according to Central Population Control Board (CPCP), particulate size 2.4 micrometer or less in diameter and are responsible for causing the greatest harms to human health. These fire particulate can be cause breathing and respiratory symptom, irritations, inflammations, and damage to lungs and premature death. And automobiles are a major causes of auto atmospheric population, at least in the metro cities. As the number of vehicles increasing and stress this problem in now the slatings of the other cities to proper maintenance of automobiles also, which used to lead free petrols or diesels can reduce the pollutant. They emit catalytic convertant having expensive metals, namely palladium and radium as the catalyst are filtered into automobile for reducing emission of poisonous gases. As in the exhaust passes through the catalytic converters, unburnt hydrocarbon are converted into carbon dioxide and water, and carbon monoxide and nitric oxide are changed to carbon dioxide and nitrogen gas. Representative motors vehicle equipped with a catalytic converter should use unleaded petrol, and vehicles lead in the petrol inactives in the catalyst. In India, the Air Prevention and Control of Populations Act came into force in 1981 but was embedded in 1987 to including noise as an air pollutant. Noise is undesirable high level of sound. We have got used to the associating loud sound with pleasure and entertainment, not releasing that noise causes psychological and physiological disorder in the humans. In the bigger the city, the bigger the function, the greater in the noise. A brief exposure to extremely high sound level 150 dB or more than generated by takeoff of a jet plane or rocket may damage eardrum, thus permanently impairing hearing ability. When chronic exposure or a relatively lower noise level of city may premature damage hearing ability of human. Noise also causes sleepiness, increasing heartbeat, alternate breathing pattern, thus considerable stressing humans. Considering the many dangerous effect of noise population, how can you identify the unnecessarily source of noise population around you which can be reduced immediately without any uh, financial loss to anybody? Reduction of noise in our industry can be affected by use of sound absorbent material or muffling noise stringent followings of law laid down in the relation to noise, like delimitations of horn free zone around hospital and school, permissible around label of crackers and of loudspeakers, thinking after which loudspeakers cannot be played etc. need to be in court to protect our less from noise population. Controlling vehicle air population, a case study of detail in the Delhi with its very large population of daily vehicular traffic. Delhi lead to a country in its level of air population. It has more air than the state of Gujarat and West Bengal put together in the 1990s. Delhi ranked fourth among the 41 most populous city of the world. Air population problem in Delhi becomes too serious that a public litigations (PIL) was filed in the Supreme Court of India after being censured very strongly by the Supreme Court. Under its directivity, the government was asked to take within a specific time period. Appropriate means including switching over the entire fleet of public transport BC from diesel to compressed natural gases (CNG). All the buses of Delhi were converted to run by CNG and end up to 2002. You you and ask the question to as CNG in better than diesel. The answer to in that पूछ रहा है कि जो सीएनजी है वह डीजल से क्यों अच्छा है। सीएनजी जब बर्न होता है तो यह मोस्ट इफेक्टिवली बर्न होता है अनलाइक पेट्रोल और डीजल। डीजल और पेट्रोल से अच्छा बर्न होता है। और इन द ऑटोमोबाइल में यह बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट लिटिल ऑफ द लेफ्ट अनबर्न है। मोर इवर अगर दूसरी तरफ बात किया जाए तो सीएनजी इज ए चीपर्स दैन पेट्रोल। और जो सीएनजी होता है वह चीपर्स होता है पेट्रोल और डीजल से। कैन नॉट बी सिपोनेड ऑफ बाई थीप्स एंड अडल्टरेट लाइक पेट्रोल और डीजल। मेन प्रॉब्लम विथ स्विचिंग ओवर टू सीएनजी इज डिफ़िकल्टी टू लेइंग डाउन पाइपलाइंस टू डिलीवरी। यानी और इसमें एक थोड़ा सी डिफ़िकल्टी होती है कि इसको बिछाने के लिए पाइपलाइन की आवश्यकता होती है। थ्रू डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस पॉइंट पंप एंड इंश्योर्स unitated supply. Simultaneously, parallel steps taken in Delhi are reducing vehicular population, including phasing out of old vehicle, use of unleaded petrol, use of low sulfur petrol and diesel, use of catalytic converted in vehicle, application of string population level norm to vehicles etc.